Want to make it easier for customers to pay on your Wix website? This video walks you through enabling Google Pay on your Wix store. GPay offers a secure and convenient way for customers to pay using their Google accounts, potentially boosting your sales and conversion rates. And as of January 2026, Wix has streamlined this process for its users. Google Pay is Google's digital wallet, a service that lets users make secure, contactless payments directly from their mobile devices. It works by storing payment information securely and using tokenization to protect sensitive card details. Integrating Google Pay into your Wix checkout offers several advantages. It provides a smoother payment experience for customers, reducing the steps needed to complete a purchase. This helps reduce cart abandonment where shoppers leave without buying. Additionally, as digital wallets grow in popularity, offering Google Pay can attract more mobile-focused customers who prefer quick, secure payments. The popularity of digital wallets like Google Pay has been rapidly increasing. According to industry reports, digital wallet usage surged 40% globally in 2025, fueled by post-pandemic preferences for contactless and mobile-first payment methods. This trend shows no signs of slowing down, making Google Pay an essential option for modern e-commerce sites. In summary, Google Pay is a powerful tool for Wix e-commerce sites, providing secure payments that improve the customer experience and help your business stay competitive in the growing digital payments landscape. Before enabling Google Pay on your Wix site, you'll need a premium e-commerce plan. Specifically, you must have a business VIP plan or higher to access payment processing features. Basic plans do not support this integration. You'll also need to connect a supported payment processor to your Wix site. Popular options include Stripe, Square, and PayPal Business. Make sure your chosen processor supports Google Pay integration before proceeding. First, access your Wix dashboard by logging into your Wix account. Once logged in, navigate to the Payments section and select Payment Methods from the menu. This page displays your current payment options and allows you to add new ones. On the Payment Methods page, select Stripe as your payment processor. Stripe is a popular choice that supports Google Pay integrations. If you see other compatible providers, you can choose those as well. If you don't have a Stripe account yet, you can create one directly from within Wix during the setup process. This streamlines the integration. For existing accounts, follow the prompts to link your Stripe account to your Wix website. Thanks to a partnership announced in mid-2025, Wix and Stripe have made connecting Google Pay much easier. This collaboration reduces setup time and ensures smooth integration for your website. Next, log into your payment processor's dashboard, such as Stripe. Find the Payment Methods section and activate Google Pay. This may involve accepting terms of service or providing additional business information. This step ensures that GPay is enabled on the payment processing side, so Wix can use it. As of January 2026, GPay is supported in over 50 countries. First, return to your Wix site editor. This is where you'll access the settings to enable Google Pay in your checkout process. Next, navigate to Settings in your Wix editor. This opens a menu where you can configure various aspects of your site. Within Settings, click on E-commerce to open the section dedicated to your online store settings. Then select Checkout from the e-commerce menu to access the payment and checkout configuration page. In the checkout settings, you'll find the Google Pay option. Toggle it on to activate Google Pay as a payment method. Wix's 2025 update made this a simple one-click process. Once enabled, Google Pay will appear as a convenient payment option for your customers on the checkout page, completing the activation process. Before going live with your Google Pay integration, use Wix's test mode to simulate transactions. This allows you to ensure the payment process is smooth and error-free without processing real payments. First, enable test mode in your Wix dashboard under the Payments section. This switches your site to a sandbox environment for safe testing. Next, simulate Google Pay transactions by placing test orders on your site. Use dummy payment information to verify the checkout flow. Finally, review the transaction logs to check for any errors and confirm the process completes successfully. Once testing is complete, customize your checkout UI in the Wix editor to prominently display Google Pay and maintain brand consistency. Open your site in the Wix editor to access the checkout page settings. Use the editor tools to position Google Pay as a primary payment option in the checkout flow. Add your company logo to the checkout page for better brand recognition and trust. As of January 2026, no coding is needed for these customizations. Wix abstracts the backend, making it simple for anyone to set up. Accepting Google Pay on your Wix site offers several key benefits. First, it leads to higher conversion rates, with Wix reporting a 25% increase in mobile checkout completion rates for sites with GPay enabled. Second, it improves customer satisfaction by providing fast, secure, and convenient payment options that reduce checkout friction. Third, integrating GPay keeps your business competitive in a market where mobile payment adoption is rapidly increasing worldwide. Looking ahead, future enhancements for Google Pay include AI-driven checkout recommendations that personalize the payment experience based on user behavior. Additionally, blockchain technology will enable faster and more secure transaction settlements, reducing processing times. By 2030, experts predict that Google Pay will dominate 30% of global e-commerce transactions, making early adoption crucial for long-term success.